In this question, we are given that box of x, it denotes the least integer greater than or equal to x. We have to check if the value of box x is equal to 0. Let's understand what this box x actually means. Now, if the value inside box x is 0.5, then it will give us the value 1. And if the number is 0.5, it will give us the value 0. So this is what box x actually denotes. Now let's move on to step 2 and analyze the statement 1. In statement 1, we are given that the range of x is between -1 and 1. Now let's consider two cases. Here, if box of x is between 0 and 1, let's take it as 0.7. Then the value will be 1. Another case possible is when we can take the value of x to be equal to -0.2. In this case, the value of box -0.2 will be equal to 0. Thus, we are getting two contradictory answers. That is, from the first value of x, we can answer the question with a definite yes, and from the second value of x, we can answer the question with a definite no. Hence, statement 1 is not sufficient, and out of the given options, we eliminate options A and D. We now check the sufficiency of statement 2. According to statement 2, x is less than 0. Now, we don't have a defined range for x. We are just told that x is a negative number. For example, box of -0.5 will give me 0. But if I take other values, for example, box of -1.2, this will give me -1. And another value like box of -3.5, this will give me -3. Since we are getting different answers in statement 2 also, we conclude that statement 2 is also not sufficient, and we move on to the last step, which is step 3, and analyze both the statements together. First, let's write down the range of x which is given in statement 1 and statement 2 respectively. Now, according to statement 1, the range of x is between -1 and 1, and statement 2 gives us the range that x is less than 0. After combining the two statements, we get that x is less than 0 but is greater than -1. Now, if we take any value in this range, for example, if we take the value of x to be -0.9, this will give me 0, and even if I take the value -0.1, this will also give me the value 0. Hence, after combining the two statements, we can answer the question with a definite yes that box of x is equal to 0. Thus, the statements together are sufficient, and the correct answer is option C.